What keeps businesses running smoothly every single day? The answer lies in the functions of operations management. While strategy sets direction, operations management functions ensure that daily activities run efficiently and consistently. The functions of operations management are the core activities involved in planning, organizing, directing, and controlling operations. These functions work together as an integrated system to convert inputs into outputs efficiently. Process design defines how work is performed, improves workflows, and eliminates unnecessary steps. Capacity planning ensures that resources match demand without overloading or underutilizing systems. Facility location and layout planning improve workflow, reduce delays, and increase productivity. Inventory management ensures materials are available when needed, without overstocking or shortages. Quality management focuses on maintaining standards and preventing defects before they happen. Scheduling aligns tasks, people, and timelines to avoid delays and bottlenecks. Supply chain management ensures smooth coordination with suppliers and timely delivery of materials. Maintenance and reliability management keep systems running and reduce downtime. Cost control focuses on improving efficiency while reducing waste and unnecessary expenses. Risk management helps businesses prepare for disruptions and maintain stability. Technology enhances every function, from automation to data-driven decision-making. Together, these functions ensure businesses operate efficiently, consistently, and at scale. Understanding these functions is essential for anyone pursuing a career in operations management.